Beach, which is the alternative of Puka Beach if we cannot go to the Puka Beach. But don't worry, we're going there right. Next to this rock, you're gonna see the
guys, ito ang Puka Beach. So waiting kami ni Hana kasi sila ate ay guys. Ayan, mapapansin nyo may mga nagtitinda din dito ng mga foods, drinks. Morning breeze ang Boracay. Ayan ang lovers. Lovers in Bora. Good morning mga beshi. Today is 6 a.m. So Hunter is still sleeping. Ayan. Kami kasi magkasama sa kwarto. So magkakape muna ako kasi 9 a.m. Grabe mukha ko. Kakailamos ko lang. Ayan. Kasi 9 a.m. merong breakfast. Pero magkakape na muna ako ngayon. Para may energy ako. 7 to 10 p.m. 10 a.m. para yung breakfast. Sila ate ay nasa kabilang room. And ayun, ang activity namin mamaya ay kayak. Okay guys. Antabi kayo for our activities for today. Ay, hindi pala kayak. Island hopping. Yun. Ganun. Island hopping. Yun. So, magka-happy muna tayo today. That's all. Thank you for watching. Morning breeze ang Boracay. Ayan ang lovers. Lovers in Bora. Eto guys, meron free breakfast. So, breakfast na muna kami. So, yun guys, sa package na binayaran namin at 3 breakfast. 3 mornings din kasi kami dito. So, may free siya na free breakfast. So, hindi na siya masama. Kumbaga, hindi ka na mamumroblema, diba? And, buffet pa siya. $9 a.m. ngayon guys. Ang ganda ng panahon. Saka maganda talaga ang Bora, yung sand niya. Ayan, konti pa lang ang tao. O, diba guys, ang ganda lang ng ang ganda ng sand niya, no? Parang gatas. Pupunta kami ng guys, mag-island hopping na kami. Mag-island hopping lahat sila, no? Kasama natin. Oh my gosh. Dito, nagtitipon-tipon yung lahat ng mag-island hopping. Tapos, i-briefing nila kami. I-briefing pa lang. So, ayan guys. 9 a.m. ngayon. So, ang balik daw namin dito is 4 p.m. ng hapon. Ayan ang galang. Oh my goodness. Ano yun? Kasama na din sa package na binayaran namin ng mga beses. So,
bababa na kayo sa doon sa boat. Sakay muna daw tayo dito. Tapos bababa na tayo sa station. Yes, ma'am. May mag-assist naman sa inyo dyan.
dahil. Hindi ka na.
Nandun pa mo.
Hilo na tayo. So guys, tumigil muna kami dito kasi may susunduin pala kami ibang mga island hoppers din. This is our first. Next. Pinalipat kami ng bangka sa mas malaki. Okay na.
Okay, so good morning, Madam and Sir. By the way, my name is Justine from Boracay Adventure. So I'll be your spokesperson here in the boat. So 250 per person, and it's optional. Number 2, if ever you want to go to take a picture of White Sand Castle and Puka signage, just give donation any amount. Solo, couple, friends, or family, just not individual for giving a gift. Like up to you. If how much you will give. There's no mandatory like this kind of amount that you will give. Okay? And number 3, if you don't want to do the first and the second I mentioned, you can just swim or sunbathing near to our pool, but not too far. But in case you go far, just inform me. And please bear your time with my time. Okay? And so I give you later just exact time for getting back on the boat. And then right after that, so I asked the captain if we can go around the island. So he said he try if we can. So there's a possible maybe, but hopefully that we continue with beach. That's the best beach that I always go to see a beautiful sunset. And the other one that less people, you should try to go at this area, Station 3, which we call that one Secret Beach. So there, no one will disturb you that much. No one will ask you, Mom, sir, island hopping, Mom, sir, ice cream. So, but also you can bring your food if you want, or but if you want, Victoria will go thinking for sure. And we have toilet at the back down there.
Victoria pala, pwede pala.
If you want to take photo there, beside here, the Balinghay Beach, which is the alternative of Puka Beach if we cannot go to the Puka Beach. But don't worry, we're going there right. Next to this rock, you're gonna see the very famous hotels. This is a 5-star hotel, right? We have Crimson, Movenpick, Shang, and Shangri-La. So Shangri-La
Guys,
is the
part
most
daw to ng Shangri-La Hotel and Spa. Yung
Station 0. So we have also Station X, which you can find in the highway in U Hotel. At the back of this graph, we have here the Movenpick Resort and Spa, and the very top, the Shangri-La Hotel Resort and Spa. One night in Shangri-La, 30 to 40,000 for 2 people in peso. But the presidential villa is about 400,000 plus for 10 people. So if you're planning to have a wedding, in Shangri-La is the best.
Shangri-La. We're heading pa lang guys. Pakinggan na lang mamaya yung ano natin. So guys, for the first island, para sa ating island hopping is the Puka Beach.
Aalis na rin tayo. Mamaya na ko yan.
Ice cream!
Ipis ng kayak ka? Tara!
Kailan ba?
Tara ma'am, dito tayo mag-
Kuya, asa na? Ito!
Ilang minutes ba?
Ma'am, hanggang matapos ma'am yung boat.
Guys, ito ang Puka Beach. So, mainit. So, waiting kami ni Hana kasi sila ate ay nagka-crystal, ano ba yan? Crystal kayak for 200 pesos per head, guys. Ayan, mapapansin nyo, may mga nagtitinda din dito ng mga foods, drinks. Grabe ang init, guys. Hindi pa man tayo nagdadagat. Sunog na mga balat ko. Yung sand niya is hindi siya ganun ka-white katulad nung sa unang. And no overnight daw pala dito. Siya nga pala, guys. I don't know why may mga taong nagtatanong sa akin kung may lahi daw ba ako or ano ba. Anong gusto mong lahi nila? Anong gusto mong lahi? So next, tapos na tayo sa first island. Next is, hindi pa alam.